Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you quickly how you can do a page break at the end of a group footer. Now, what this is handy for is, say you're running a report on all your providers, say, well, in this case, the gain team. You don't want multiple providers on one page because you want to take this report, hand this out to each of them, and have them verify the stats. So you want one provider on each page with their data. So what this will do is, once it reaches the end of the provider's data and prints the total visits, it will then start its next group on the following page, not right below it. This way you'll have at least one individual page for each client. So how do we do that? Well, it's really quite simple. In the group footer here, you just click on it so it highlights the whole line, and then over here to the right you're going to see a line that says fill whole page. Normally this is set for false, but we want it to be set for true. So change it to true. You can just use the drop down, and this one's true already because I created this report. And you'll see that also when I hover the mouse over it, it tells you what it does basically. That the next page is going to start on a new one. And so now when you go and run that report, you'll have, Joe Smith on one page, you'll have Mary Jones on another page all by herself, you'll have, Kim Johnson on a page all by herself, and it just makes it easier to distribute a report and not have to try to figure out how to, give it out. Anyways, I hope this helps. And if you like these videos, I encourage you to go down below and hit subscribe so you're notified when a new video comes out, and click on the bell if you liked this video and found it helpful. Thank you and have a great day.